Hi, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel and for today's video, we'll be tackling about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is basically an AI. Ito yung AI na uh, pwede mong makausap, pwede mag-generate siya ng videos, ideas, pwede mong tanungin everyday, uh, magbibigay sa iyo ng mga recommendations and exact uh, answers also. And if business owner ka or student ka or gusto mo mag freelance, uh, you can use ChatGPT very well. Lalong-lalo na sa when creating emails, when writing a document, writing a invoice, writing a content ideas, writing a um, or image man yan, kahit ano. So, today's video, we will be, or ipapakita ko yung basics or basic prompting when it comes to content creation ideas. Kukuha tayo ng ideas from ChatGPT and yun. So, let's dive into it. I'll share my screen. Okay. So, open lang natin si chatgpt.com. Okay. And then, I have here, halimbawa, social media manager ka or strategist ka, social media strategist ka, and nawawalan ka ng ideas, content ideas, or even content creator ka, pwede mong gamitin to. Pwede mong i-apply actually or actual application during your TikTok contents or Facebook contents, or pwede mo rin siyang gawing as guide lang. But for me, personally, ginagawa ko siyang guide and then ikakopy ko siya, ita-transfer ko siya sa Google Docs and or Excel file and then i-tweak ko lang siya based on my liking. So yun guys, let's dive into it. So I have here our prompt ready. And ilalagay ko na lang yung prompt na to sa comment section or sa description para magamit nyo rin siya and para matest nyo rin siya. Okay. So today, ChatGPT content idea generation prompt. The goal is to create a content ideas for you. So paano ba natin gamitin si ChatGPT ng tama? So si ChatGPT, you should treat ChatGPT as a real person asking for his or her advice or recommendation. So, dapat meron tayong structure. Meron tayong structure na sinusundan. So, uh, sa mga susunod na videos, i-explain natin yan. But for now, itong straight to the application muna mismo talaga. So first part of your prompt, dapat you will have a clear goal. Halimbawa, nandito is, the goal is to create a content ideas for our, so ilalagay natin siya dyan. Halimbawa, you want to create your ideas for your product. For example, for our product, and ilalagay mo na affiliate ka ng product na to. I'm a TikTok affiliate of this product. The product is selfie stick. Sabihin natin, selfie stick. Okay. And the next part is you will tell ChatGPT na mag-act as an expert content creator. Right? So, dapat magkaroon kayo ng connection between ChatGPT. Sabihan mo siya na, kunwari, ikaw ay isang expert content creator. Diba? So, here, become an expert content creator on TikTok. Okay, natin dito, TikTok. And then, I want you to create a video. So, this time, dito, kino-command mo na siya or nag-a-ask ka na sa kanya ng recommendations or gusto mo na siyang utusan, basically. So I want you to create a video idea. I want you to create a video idea that will help educate and entertain my audience. So iti-tweak lang natin or target audience as an TikTok affiliate. Okay? So organize the ideas in table format with columns for so dito syempre yung mga gusto mong makuha or kung gusto mong result dapat nandun. If gusto mo sa platform ba, TikTok lang, sa Facebook din, sa Instagram, so ilalagay natin siya. Platform, syempre TikTok affiliate tayo. Let's say TikTok affiliate tayo. So TikTok specifically, post type, syempre sa TikTok more on videos, so dapat videos, content idea. Provide a brief of the content idea tailored to the audience. That's correct. And then opening hook. Ano ba yung opening hook? Ito yung 3 seconds video hook na dapat ma-capture mo yung attention ng audience mo. Describe an eye-catching opening scene or headline. So manghihingi ka sa kanya ng recommendation. And then of course, hindi yan magsasucceed kung walang storyline or message kahit konti lang. So storyline, message, outline the main message or narrative that builds curiosity and emotional connection. And then the last one is call to action, suggest a CTA. CTA is a call to action, is either click the yellow basket, yan, order now, yan. Okay? And then you may research real-time top trends happening right now in the Philippines. Of course, kung nasan ka, dapat sinasabihan mo si ChatGPT para yung learning niya or yung research niya, doon siya magbe-base sa current status ng country kung nasan ka. And then, if okay na lahat yan, na tweak mo na yung prompt, na which is ilalagay ko sa description or ilalagay ko sa comments para magamit nyo din. And start and click enter. Then makikita nyo, kakaroon na siya ng feedback si ChatGPT. If may mga gantong instances, pwede natin siyang i-refresh. Copy lang ulit natin yung prompt, refresh natin. Then, paste lang natin para magkaroon siya. So, sa ChatGPT, nakikita natin, nababasa natin, sinesearch niya yung web para naglo-learn siya. Naglo-learn siya, nagkakaroon siya ng sariling research system. So, ayun, natapos na siya. So, ito yung sabi niya. Certainly, here are some engaging TikTok video ideas tailored for promoting a selfie stick as an affiliate, designed to educate and entertain your audience while triggering emotions like surprise, nostalgia, or humor. So, ito yung ginawa niyang table for us. So, platform, TikTok, na sinabi natin, TikTok. Post type, dapat video. And then a content idea, then versus now, selfie evolution, split screen. Of course, ito, mapapansin nyo, ano pa siya, English. Since nasa Pilipinas tayo and I know mas mag-engage ang customers or audience natin if Tagalog. So, if natapos na siyang mag-generate ng ganyan, ilagay lang natin is, gawin natin siyang Tagalog. Make it in Tagalog. Okay? Okay, so ayan, syempre narito na ang content ideas, naging Tagalog na siya. Noon versus ngayon, selfie evolution. Opening hook, split screen ng selfie noong 2000s, blurry versus selfie ngayon gamit ang selfie stick. Storyline, ipakita ang pagbabago ng selfie mula noon hanggang ngayon. Call to action, alin ang bet mo, old school or new gen? Wala sa uso, gamitin sa ibang paraan, gamitin ang selfie stick para abutin ang remote sa ilalim ng kama, nakakatawang content kung paano gamitin ng selfie stick. So, yun. That's basically it. Wala pang 5 minutes, tapos na tayo sa content creation idea as an affiliate. Binigyan ka na agad niya ng idea ni ChatGPT. Binigyan ka pa niya ng table na pwede mong sundan sa pag-create mo ng contents for your affiliate contents. Okay, so if nagustuhan niyo yung video na to, like, subscribe, and make sure to comment kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyong gawin ko na video about AI, social media marketing, Facebook ads, and everything else sa susunod na video. Bye! See you at work!